Hello friends, my name is TARUN and today I am going to explain a function called substitute. What is the role of this function? This function replaces a specific piece of text with another piece of text. It can either replace all the occurrence of that text or a specific occurrence of that text. This function is case sensitive. It considers capital TARUN and a small letter TARUN as a different text. It doesn't support wild character like star, question mark. Let's start to see how this function works. Here we have been given these names in a table and what I want is I want to replace A in these names with the capital letter E. So let's see how we do so. We will use a function called substitute. There are four components of this function. First one is text, wherein you want to make a change, and second one is old text, which you want to replace with a new text, and the fourth one is instance number. What is instance number? Instance number is occurrence number of that character in the text. So let's start with this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to replace small a with a capital E. Let's see how to do so. This is my text. Then what is the old text that I want to replace? This is my old text and this is my new text, and I'm specifying the occurrence number or instance number as 1. By using 1, I am telling this function that replace the first occurrence of a character A in this text. Just enter this. So this is how it will change. Let's do Ctrl D to find the result for another name. So this is how it has changed the name absolutely. So as you can see that in the first name A comes 3 times, but it has replaced only first occurrence because I specified first occurrence in the function. Okay, let's see another example. In this example, suppose if I remove instance number in the formula, then it will substitute all the occurrence of a character A in the text. Let's see how. Substitute. I'm taking this text. Now this is my old text and this is my new text. Now what I'm saying is, if I remove the instance number, I don't give any instance number here, then what this function will do, it will substitute all the occurrence of character A in the text. Let's see how. Just enter. See this. A was 3 times in the text and it has replaced all the small a with a capital A in this text. If you remove the instance number in the formula, then it will substitute all the occurrence of character in that text. So these were 2 examples of function called substitute. I hope you understand all these examples very well. Thank you and bye bye.